So today we had listening number 2. We finished the book and we looked at Penny Er's book. We looked about how listening needs these 5 strategies: predicting, gisting, detecting for signposts, looking for details, and inferring. And then we looked at what was in the book, principles for teaching listening comprehension, as follows. And what else we can do to help students. So to give them tasks where they need to choose. So we scaffold it up. So maybe it's 3 or 4 pictures and then 5 pictures, starting off with just maybe 2. True, false questions. Transferring, which means drawing a picture from what's heard. Answering, so fill in the blanks or true, false. Condensing, which means paraphrasing. So listening and then making it shorter. Extending means to have a story and have it last a bit, what happens at the end. Duplicating, which means translate into L1. Modelling, so have that but change the subject or the object. Conversing is freer activity, more of that. And then the students need to look for the key vocab, non-verbal language, non-linguistic, so the sarcastic rolling of the eyes or whatnot. Learn how to predict by what's happening around them and activating knowledge, suggesting meaning, seeking clarification, listening for gist. So it's basically a little bit repetitive, but it says the same thing, all we need to do for listening. So in summary is include a focus on listening for integrated skills. So if you've got 1 or 2 subjects in an EAL class, so get them to focus on whatever it is. Use techniques to help them to be intrinsically, so not extrinsically, so they want themselves to improve. Authentic materials probably better, especially if it's all English and some of them American English background people. Consider the responses, so don't ask difficult who, what, where questions, just yes, no to begin with. And speaking strategies, if they don't understand from listening, you need to continue. So ask them to use, sorry, one more time, please, those sort of things. And bottom up, so that's when you've got the small little bits like prefixes and it goes up, looking at the same prefix to work out the meaning. And then top down is when you have like a football and you're trying to work out what you know about a football to get the conversation going. And we looked at Penny Er's book. And then the last little bit, we looked at some videos about listening. And I gave the students some homework. Homework is a listening quiz. And that was our class for today.